friends, welcome to Unique Shiksha. We hope you are keeping yourself safe in this pandemic. Though we all are trying to accept this new normal, but it's indeed harder. Sometimes we feel bored, life appears meaningless or uninteresting. But today I am going to narrate a story to you which will surely up your mood and motivate you to work harder. This is the story of Umakant Umrao. There won't be any exaggeration if we call him the Bhagirath of Devas. Just like Bhagirath, who with his great effort brought river Ganga on earth from heaven, Umakant Umrao also converted the water scarce city of Devas into the city of ponds. When Umakant was appointed as district collector of Devas in 2006, the surrounding lands were dry and barren, and groundwater level was also going gradually down. The condition was so pathetic that even a water special train had been sent to Devas to deal with the problem. But when 1996 batch IS officer reached Devas, all the farmers requested him to do something about this issue. So Mr. Umrao, who is an IIT Roorkee civil engineering graduate and who had also studied economics, had the perfect plan for Devas transformation. He launched the campaign of Pani Bachao Labh Kamao. And by calculating the need of water required depending on the farm size, the officer made personalized proposals for digging ponds, which was not only cost effective but also eco-friendly. He taught the farmers how to convert a part of their land into pond for irrigating the rest of their fields. This was accepted by the farmers as a new thought and was called as Riva Sagar Bhagirath Krishak Abhiyan. Umrav recalls that he faced a number of hurdles on the way. The foremost was to get a loan. At that time, getting a bank loan to dig a pond was something no one had ever imagined. But by overcoming all the hurdles, Umrao found such a solution that today it has resulted in more than 16,000 ponds spread across 60 to 80 acres of land in Devas, and over 1,000 farmers earning more than rupees 25 lakhs a year. Additionally, Devas has not only seen a speedy rise in its groundwater level but has also witnessed a 20-fold increase in its irrigated land from a mere 18,000 hectares to more than 4 lakh hectares. Once a parched land like Maharashtra's Latur district, Devas has now turning into a green patch and a heaven for farmers. Further, owing to its transformed ecosystem, these villages have emerged to become hotbeds for migratory birds like Siberian cranes, butterflies, etc. Its success motivated the Madhya Pradesh government to create mass impact in 2008 by adopting the Devas model under the name Balram Talab Yojana. This model has also been replicated in other states of India. In 2011-12, it was selected by the United Nations as one of the 3 top water management practices globally. So this was the small story of Umakant Umrao. Though it's a small story, but you can learn a lot from this. It teaches us that उद्यमेन ही सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणेन मनोरथे न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा. Just like a deer never comes to the mouth of a sleeping lion, the lion also has to follow his prey to hunt him. Similarly, we can't accomplish our goals merely by thinking about them, but we have to do immense hard work to achieve them. Therefore, keep working hard and don't stop until you achieve your dreams. To make your journey to Mussoorie easy, you can also join our Live Foundation courses where we provide live classes with top teachers, live in class support, anytime learning, study material, 100 plus tests, detailed study plan, and 750 plus hours courses. You can also explore more with 7 days free trial classes. If you like this story, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. In case you have any query, you can write us on info@uniqueshiksha.in, and you can also call us on this number. Thank you so much.